Hi! In front of me is OPPO A98 and today I would like to show you how you can add passwords to Google Autofill. First of all, you need to open Devices Settings and scroll all the way down to access Google. Now click on your account at the top and select the preferable one. In my case, this one. Following that, click on Autofill. Tap on Autofill with Google and select this switcher next to Use Autofill with Google if it's not already on. Then tap on Passwords. Finally, to add your password, select this plus next to Search Passwords. Then input site at the top where you wish to use Autofill, or click on Select App and tap on the chosen one. I will go with Facebook. Now input all of your informations: username, password, and if you wish to, some notes. Finally, hit save at the top right corner. So when I do that, as you can see, my password was successfully added. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!